Now listen to
What
this man.
keeps the southern part of Nigeria together today is the fear of the North. The fear of the domination of the North over the South. It's what gives a semblance of unity among Southerners. If for one reason or the other, which I'm not campaigning for, the North severes its relationship in Nigeria and moves away, I can assure you within 3 months, the South will disintegrate. Because outside the fact of the fear of the North, there is nothing that keeps Southern Nigeria as one. The Yorubas don't like the Igbos. Let us be frank about it. The Ijaw man does not like the Igbo man. The Rivers people don't like the Igbo man.
Is it because of politics, or is it we as a people amongst ourselves, we don't like ourselves?
It's not the politics. I have met it. I came to Lagos 68 years ago as a young boy of 6 years old or 5.5 years. The enmity has always been there. We call them Yamiri. I'm not a Yoruba man, but I speak the language so fluently now. But I knew the Shikism has always been there. The Igbos were controlling the police force then. And you find the Igbo man's wife would start out fighting. At the next time, police. So the Shikism has been there. We've met it right from our childhood. The Cross River stage generally, or the rivers, they don't like the Igbos. That is why Bakassi seceded. Because the attitude of the Igbo-dominated Northern Eastern House of Assembly drove them away from Nigeria. Whereas the northern counterpart of Cameroons, that was accepted as part of northern region, decided to stay with Nigeria. Today it is Gongola State, called Gongola State, with Mubi as the capital. They were all northern Cameroons. So you can see that the dichotomy has been there, the differences have been there. When it's not politics.